Hello everyone, today's topic is the greedy dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog who was very greedy. One day, while wandering through the village, he came across the butcher's shop. The butcher, feeling generous, tossed the dog a large juicy bone. Thrilled with his good fortune, the dog grabbed the bone in his mouth and ran off into the forest, eager to enjoy his meal in the peace. As he was crossing a narrow bridge over a stream, he looked down and saw his reflection in the water below. To the greedy dog, it appeared as though there was another dog beneath him with an even bigger bone in his mouth. The dog thought to himself, if I could get that bone, I would have two bones to enjoy. Without thinking, the greedy dog opened his mouth to. Without thinking, the greedy dog opened his mouth to snatch the bone from the another dog. But as soon as he did the bone, but as soon as he did the bone he was holding fell into the stream and was swept away by the current. The dog was helped as his precious bones disappeared into the water. He was left with nothing but an empty stomach and the cold realization of his own greed. From that day on, the dog learned an important lesson in his desire for more. He lost everything. He lost everything he already had. This story teaches the moral that greed often leads to losing what we already have, reminding us to be content with what we have instead of always wanting more. Thank you.